I decided that I will leave. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. Well, today you guys, I decided that I will leave. Leave my balloon garlands alone. Let them be. I want to take a breather. I want to collect my creative thoughts into one and be back to my balloon garlands very soon. There's a reason for it, you guys. My lower back is just killing me after my previous video. Till this day, I can feel my lower back like there's no tomorrow. So my previous video, if you watched it, if you didn't, I'm gonna give you like a backstory. I created one white, big, beautiful balloon garland, and then I transformed that balloon garland into 3 different themes. So you might think, oh, come on, Anastasia. Like just one white balloon garland and to transform, it's gonna be super easy, super fast. Well, any guesses how long it took me? It took me 7 hours to film just that one video with 3 themes. You guys, whew, that was one ambitious project for me. I've never done anything like that before. It was just me filming, constructing, not counting editing, 7 hours. And after that video, you guys, my lower back was just killing me. I don't know what happened there. Maybe I pushed myself a little bit too hard. So I want to just take a break, take it easy, create something with balloons, but something very different from balloon garlands. So today I would like to show you something very cute, very easy to execute, and it's gonna be fun, and I will be having fun as well. Hopefully you will enjoy this idea. All of the balloons that I got from Garland Paper and Balloon Company, like usual. They have it all the balloons, party supplies. Go check them out. You can always use my code Anastasia10 for 10% off at checkout. This is an affiliate code. It's totally up to you if you want to use it or not. And this code is valid only for your first purchase. Everything will be linked and listed in the description under the video. And without any further ado, let's go. Before I'm gonna start blowing my balloons, here is what I am using. I am using electric balloon pump from Garland Paper and Balloon Company. I am using Politics balloons today. These are 5-inch yellow balloons, 11-inch wild berry, 11-inch red, and coral 11-inch as well. So today, you guys, I decided to show you how you can create balloon flowers. Very easy. It's not gonna take you a lot of time. And it will look cute. So here is what I'm doing. One flower will have 5 petals. So I'm taking one color, 5 right here. I am blowing my balloons at the same time to the same size, as close as possible. Great. As soon as I'm done blowing my balloons, I am pressing them against the floor to give them more rounder shape, and then I am tying these balloons into pairs. And then your 5th petal will be single. And you guys, I am doing exactly the same to my yellow balloons. 2 yellow balloons, tying them together. Construct our flower. I'm taking my first balloon pair and my single balloon. I am stretching my singles balloon tail and wrapping that tail around my balloons, finding that pairs balloons tail and tying the 2 tails together to secure that one single balloon. Now, going to our 2nd pair of balloons and sliding our pair into our cluster. Now, here we inserted our pair. We need to secure this pair. So I am taking this balloon from our 3 cluster balloon, and then this new one that we just inserted, and I am twisting them a couple of times, so it will be fine. Now, going back to our yellow balloons, I blew one balloon smaller and one balloon bigger. This bigger one will go on top and smaller one at the bottom, just to make your flower a little bit flatter, because if you're gonna blow your bottom balloon very big, your flower won't lay flat. I hope that makes sense. So to insert our middle, I am flattening my flower on the floor just like that. I'm taking my middle, inserting my middle between balloons, and now whenever we inserted our middle, we need to tie these two balloons or twist these balloons together and align them a couple of times to lock everything in place. Flatten everything out, maybe twist your balloons a couple more times if you see they're kind of like riding up and being stubborn. And here you have a beautiful flower. If you see your balloon is starting to misshape itself and balloons are starting to pop out, let me try to twist this again. Yeah, just twist your balloons more and more until they will get flat. But if you'll have a problem like I do with this flower, you can always take your glue dots and literally put your glue dots between your balloons. That way these balloons will hold together and they won't pop out and misshape the flower. So I hope that makes sense. Let's blow more balloons in different colors and create more colorful flowers. How I am attaching my balloons to my fabric. I'm taking a simple small size safety pin, pinning my safety pin to my fabric. I already tied some fishing line to the back yellow balloon, taking my fishing line and tying my fishing line to this pinned safety pin. And voila, here you have your flower balloon on your fabric. And to keep these two flowers nice and close together, I am taking a glue dot and literally putting a glue dot on my balloons and gluing them together. I can add one more over here to have this nice straight flowy look. Guys, how adorable this looks. Incredibly simple. You didn't need to do much, but it looks so cute. To kind of give you more idea what you can do with your backdrop or with the wall, I am adding Nicole's name that I used for her birthday. This sign is from Wood Shop Guy. I will link them in the description under the video. They have a Instagram account. That's the only place where you can find them and order these beautiful signs. They are very good quality, thickness of letters, very nice, good paint. I like it. So I have this gold Nicole, and I'm gonna hang her name right about here using safety pins and fishing lines. So I already have some safety pins pinned over here. I'm gonna tie a fishing line and literally tie that fishing line from my letters straight to those safety pins. Let's go! Here is what I have for you guys today. Look at this cute and adorable setup. It didn't take me a lot of time
or balloons, and it looks so good. I like my balloon flowers, even though they are misshapen. I am okay with that because in nature, flowers are not always perfect. They are cute, right? I ended up putting glue dots between every single balloon and every flower to keep my petals together. As you can tell, I am not a pro at making balloon flowers, but I tried my best. I also used my lawn LED lights for uplighting. Everything will be linked and listed in the description under the video, and I will share some pictures at the end of this video as well.
This is it, you guys. This is what I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this very different video on my channel. I hope this video was inspiring and helpful. If it was, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with family and friends. That's always helpful. If you have any additional questions, leave them in the comment section below, and I will try to help you out to the best of my abilities. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button for more videos and interesting ideas. And I hope you'll have a wonderful day, and I will see you back very soon. Bye!